Keep it at a quarter. Half throttle.
Wind up. Half throttle.
Oh!
Fudge.
Hello, this is Leo. Hey, hi, I'm back. I've been traveling quite a bit. I'm actually in Singapore, but today I'm gonna take you to Malaysia for some exotic food previews, and we'll be back for more flying.
Today, when you walk around, you'll be different again.
Yeah, everything's changing so fast.
From the last week, because more shops will be open.
Oh yeah. So we are on the crossway from Singapore to Malaysia.
Okay, you don't use your handphone to take pictures.
Old school. What we're gonna be doing first is to find a local coffee shop, the first stop, and then look for some local delicacies. If you've never been to Malaysia, there are many coffee shops just around the streets. That's the crossway from Singapore to Malaysia. A stone throw away. Princess Cove. Okay. Here we are at a local coffee shop, and we will dine just like the locals.
Storyboard.
This is a hoagie, is it?
Yeah.
We're gonna have bak kut teh.
You share the bak kut teh with her, because I'm having all the spare part.
Oh, okay. Sounds good to me.
So you can see that it's a bone.
Ah, that's what it means. Bak. It means bone tea, translated.
Yeah.
Spare parts. Steak. Where's stomach? Oh, that's the stomach. And then that is fish
bladder.
Bladder? Oh, I didn't know.
Air bladder. The one that help them regulate their going up and down.
Looks like we have a visitor. First time for me. Dine with a local monkey. It's got a banana now. Messy.
Flying fish, it's a culmination of a lot of foam parts we've accumulated over the years. This is from a Piper cub from about probably 7-8 years back, and this is a Haifa fuselage. This is a 330 size racing quadcopter motor. 20 or 15 amp micro ESC, and then we got 9-gram micro servos on here. Here, and then 2 here. One for the rudder, one for the elevator. And then we got a nice light kit on it, which makes it look good at night.
There's a flight controller in it too.
Oh yeah, it's got a Eagle Tree Guardian flight controller, really light, really advanced, really reliable, and really durable. And we probably have about 5 of these in our rigs, and they work really good. So we're gonna test this out today and see how it goes, and just give it a nice good chuck. Yeah. Like that. All right. Okay, everybody ready?
Yep.
All right, chuck it. Oh!
Yeah, you got it.
What's up?
A bit more stable now.
Yeah, I turned the gyro gain up.
Okay.
Really needed it.
Oh, now it's much more
Very
balanced.
nice, yeah. When I turned the gain all the way down, it got really bad. This is about as fast as uh-oh. See, when I accelerate, it wants to push the front end down.
Yeah.